You have created a new YouTube channel, but your channel is not showing in search results on YouTube. Why? Because there are some basic settings and some SEO tips recommended by YouTube to apply in your channel. Many new YouTubers face this problem. And today I am going to show you how to optimize your channel, so don't skip the video, because whenever you create a new channel you have to follow all these steps. Without wasting time, let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. First of all, I would highly recommend you guys to watch this video. In this video, I shared some proof that why you need to start a YouTube channel, how to find unique channel name. Because unique name is the most important factor to optimize and grow your new channel, how to turn on two-step verification, and how to create a brand new YouTube channel. You will find link is in the description and at the end screen. Now go to YouTube and open YouTube Studio. This is your channel main dashboard. Go to settings and click channel. Select your country. Now these keywords represent your channel and improve SEO of search result. But always enter your channel name first. Then add highly searchable keywords according to your channel category. How to find these keywords? Open Google and type keywordtool.io. Select YouTube and enter your channel category. Select country. Select best keywords which represent your channel. This is just an example. Click copy and select copy to clipboard and paste here. Click save. Again, open settings. Go to the channel and go to advanced settings. Select no. Set this channel is not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. But if your content is for kids, then select this one. If you don't want to display your subscribers, just uncheck this box. Now go to feature eligibility. You will get default feature to upload video on YouTube and create a playlist. And you have to verify your phone number to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, upload custom thumbnails, do live streaming and appeal for content ID claims. Click verify phone number. Select your country and enter your phone number. You will receive 6 digits code. Now you have enabled all these features, click on save. Again, open settings and now go to upload default. Whatever you add here will automatically appear in your all videos when you upload a new video. This feature helps you to save your time, but don't forget to enter your channel name in the description. Again, enter your channel name with hashtag. Select visibility to unlisted for now. And add default tags. Enter your channel name first, as I have added in my channel. You can change these keywords anytime. Click save. Now again settings, and go to upload defaults. Now go to advanced settings. Select standard YouTube license. Select your channel category. And select your video language. These settings are optional. Click on save. Now go to customization. And click branding. Here you can upload your channel logo, banner, and video watermark. Where to find channel logo and banner? Open Google and just type canva.com. Enter YouTube channel logo. Here you will find hundreds of unique designs. You can also edit them. Click download and select PNG. Now create channel banner. Change random name with your channel name. Add watermark. And select any one option. If someone clicks this watermark, subscribe button will pop up. And click publish. Now go to basic info. Here you can change your channel name and add a description that represents your channel. As I have added, you can pause the video and read this. Here you can add email for contact. Click view channel. Congratulations, you are all done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.